Alright, in this video we are unboxing the brand new DJI Osmo 360. This is the Adventure Combo, DJI's first ever 360 camera. So we sure have waited years for DJI to bring out a 360 camera, and they finally have done it. I'm a massive fan of 360 cameras, so can't wait to see what this is like. So first of all, I'm going to get everything out of the box. I'm going to show you everything that you get inside of this, and you can decide if it's actually worth it to go and get. So there's going to be two modes on this 360 camera. So you get a 360 mode and also a single lens mode like you would on an action camera. Now you do get a lot of accessories inside of this Adventure Combo, which is good to see. The actual main camera itself, just taking it out of the box here, it's unlike any other 360 camera in terms of design we've seen before. You do get a 120cm selfie stick. Now these are fantastic, you've probably seen them before. Basically you put your camera on here and the whole selfie stick in the software becomes invisible, so you don't have to do anything, and this just gives you that really good wide angle view, that 360 view of your surroundings without seeing a big selfie stick on the actual shots. You do get the same charging case from the DJI Action 5 Pro. So these have 1950 milliamp batteries, really good batteries here, fantastic battery life, and it also means if you have the Action 5 Pro you can use them batteries on this 360 camera. Really nice and compact, charges via USB-C. That's a fantastic charging case that we had on the Action 5 Pro. It also comes with a travel pouch as well, so this is going to be used for storing the 360 camera. Open it up, it's also got some accessories as well, so I'm going to put all these accessories on the table and show you them. Now it is quite small and compact, I would say. It's nice in materials, nice felt material on the inside, so it's not going to scratch the lens on your 360 camera, but having everything in here, it's going to be a tight fit. Now inside of the pouch, what we're going to get is you get a lens cloth. You also have a USB-C cable. I would recommend using a fast charging USB-C power device for charging your accessory. It's going to be much quicker. Also a magnetic base, so just like the Action series, you're going to be able to magnetically attach this to the 360 camera. Magnetic is so much faster and convenient, especially when swapping it onto different mounts, so it's good to see that is here as well. But then also this, or a plastic lens protector. So this is something that you're going to put onto the top of your 360 camera to protect those lenses. I'll come on to why soon, why that's really important and a bit of a downside. We also get some DJI stickers. We're getting these now in all the different DJI products, but for some reason we only get two now. So it's just those stickers, quick start guide, and some instruction manuals there for you to read or maybe just throw away. So onto the main camera, the Osmo 360. Getting it out of here, just be careful not to drop this because it's really tight fit. It is a completely different shape than what we're used to. It is easy in the hand, but again, different if you have come from, say, an Insta360 camera. But the great news is that DJI have gone all in on the spec of their first 360 camera. This is 8K, and it's also a 1/1.1 inch sensor with an f1.9 aperture. Now that we haven't seen before. We haven't seen a sensor size that large on other competing 360 cameras, so that's really good to see. Now it is waterproof. You can go 10 meters depth waterproof without needing any sort of case, so that's good. It charges via USB-C. And one great thing that DJI are continuously doing now is using Osmo audio. So it also has 4 mics on the outside of it, but you can also connect this up to, say, a DJI Mic Mini, DJI Mic 2, the DJI microphones, wireless microphones, to get fantastic audio. Now at the bottom of it, this is where we're going to attach that magnetic base. So this just literally clips on, but it's also got a 1/4-20 thread mount on the bottom of it as well for attaching other accessories. Once that's on, you can see it snaps in place, and then you can attach that to other accessories or the selfie stick. So you literally just put that there. It's not going to come off because you do need to push the pins in either side to actually get it to release. It's also got a button here. Other people I saw in rumors thought this was something else, but once you press that, that's going to change the angle of this mount. So we'll come on to that why in a second. But overall, I'm really happy that we do have a magnetic base on here. It's so convenient, especially on the Action series. But if you do have some other accessories for mounting, maybe like a suction cup on your car, something on your bike, then you can also use that 1/4-20 thread mount on the bottom of it for mounting as well. So you've got a choice, 1/4-20 or the magnetic base. So you can use this in single lens mode, like just a normal action camera. So that's good to see. You've got 360 and single lens mode as well. So you press that button and that's going to give you the angle for getting like a vlog style action camera view. And the camera certainly does feel nice and lightweight, weighing only 183 grams, which is fantastic for a 360 camera. Now it's put one of these batteries in, so these batteries are fantastic. Now you're going to be able to charge all three in this case, and it gives you a runtime of about 88 minutes. That's filming in 8K. So you would connect this up to the DJI Mimo app to activate this, but it also gives you the option where you can just skip past that and have a go yourself for a few times. But get it activated to the DJI Mimo app. It gives you so many different options. You can have like a live preview. It is great. You can edit your footage on there. Overall, the 360 cameras are just invaluable for me. I love using them for travel, for taking them with me. They are so easy because literally all you do is hit record and it's going to film everything in 360. But I like that I can also get wireless audio now using this, like DJI Mic Mini, a fantastic microphone. Having such a small, convenient setup like this, I think it's great that DJI are continuing to include this Osmo audio. So we have 360s, so we've got selfie mode, we've got vortex mode, which leads me on to believe there's going to be more accessories for this. We have the panoramic video mode, panoramic photo, and then we have that single lens mode as well. Now, as you drag your finger on the screen, you can see all these different views. 360 cameras, if you haven't got one, I can't recommend them enough. They are fantastic. And you'll notice as I hold this in different positions, it's going to flip that view as well. But the great thing about 360 cameras is that you get a full view, so horizontal or vertical, all done for you. You can decide afterwards. I will put the prices on the screen now for the 360 standard and also the adventure combo. I always recommend, if you can, getting the adventure combo, getting the bigger combo. It's going to give you the extra batteries, more accessories. It's well worth it. And a great advantage to this is that this is the first 360 camera we've seen with 10 bits. So this has normal and D-Log-M color profiles, which is fantastic. And it also has 105 gigabytes of internal storage. So if you're like me, you forget your memory card, you're going to be covered there with 105 gigabytes. But it also has an SD card slot, so you can add more memory as well. Overall, first impressions. I do feel that DJI have come out banging with the spec inside of this. So we've got a lighter 360 camera that we're used to. It's nice and small, easy to take around with you. You're getting that 360 look. We've got 8K. We're having a larger sensor, so a sensor size we haven't seen before in a 360 camera. Good battery life, and also the option that we can completely integrate this with the Osmo audio to get wireless audio without the need for any wires. So everything on paper sounds fantastic. Now I do have another video doing my full initial review on this, showing you everything in detail, what's new, also going over what I love about this and what's particularly not great, like the fact you can't replace the lenses on this 360 camera. So it's really important to keep that lens guard on this 360 camera at all times. So make sure you go and check that out. It might be live on the channel right now, so if it is, I'm going to put it up for play right at the end of this video, so go and have a look at that. Let me know what you think about this 360 camera in the comments down below. If you want to go and check it out, I'm going to link it at the top of the description. Thank you so much for watching. Hit that like button if you're new around here. Subscribe because I've got so many more videos. It's out of control. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.